Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook venison steak perfectly every time. First, prepare your meat for optimal flavor and texture by ensuring it is fully thawed from the refrigerator. Use paper towels to completely remove all surface moisture from the steak. This step is absolutely crucial for achieving that beautiful, crisp crust. Season both sides liberally with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper, setting the stage for a truly delicious meal. Achieving a perfect sear is key for venison. Place a heavy skillet, like cast iron, on medium-high heat until it is smoking slightly. Add 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed, ensuring it coats the bottom. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan and let it sear undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This develops that beautiful, flavorful crust we all love. After searing, it is time to infuse even more flavor. Reduce your heat to medium-low and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the skillet. Introduce your aromatics, like 2 cloves of smashed garlic and 1 sprig of fresh rosemary, letting them warm in the butter. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously spoon that fragrant, melted butter over the steak for another 2 to 3 minutes, enhancing its richness. The resting period is absolutely critical for a tender and juicy venison steak. Once your steak reaches your desired doneness, remove it from the skillet and place it on a clean cutting board. Loosely tent the steak with aluminum foil. This keeps the heat in without steaming the crust. Allow it to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes, which lets the internal juices redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing maximum tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.